In a single moment, everything changed. What once was hidden now shines brighter than ever before. From ashes to elegance, from forgotten to unforgettable. But when the clock strikes midnight, will the dream disappear or last forever? Join us for a night of wonder, romance, and unforgettable magic. The Benton High School Theater Department presents Rodgers and Hammerstein's Cinderella. Get your tickets now.